Hey guys, so I wanted to show you what I purchased from the Happy Planner Mickey and Minnie release, and I'm super excited that this finally came in. So let's go ahead and take out these items and let's see what we have. So the first thing I do see are the classic metal discs, and of course I have to get them in metal because they did offer them in plastic, but I obviously did want the metal ones, and I love that it has the Mickey outline on here. So of course I had to get these because I was thinking of putting these ones in this Happy Notes, and so I love that Minnie is on here with rose gold. I think she looks so pretty, so I did want to switch out these plastic for these metal ones with the Mickey outline. I think it's gonna look great, and I love that she's on here because she is seriously my favorite. She has the pink going on, and so of course I love that. So let's go ahead and take this out so we can see the dividers. And I love that they did have some options that were neutral and not so much so colorful. So I did love that. If I can get this off, it usually just slides off, but not in this case. But there we go. So I love that they did have neutral options. So this first one does say just go with the bow, and I love all these little bows. So over here as well, and so dotted line, and as you can see there is a little bit of print on the spine, and it just has some stars, bows, and then the Mickey outline. So I love this paper, and then just look at her, how pretty is she? I love that the bow stands out and super neutral, and then here dancing is like dreaming with your feet. So I love this so much. And just look at that. So of course I love this because it was mini, neutral, and super pretty. So there's this one, and let's actually get rid of this too. And then let's see. Okay, so the pen holders. So we have two of those, and I was thinking about putting this one on this notebook because, as you know, we're doing remote learning this year. So I thought that this notebook would be perfect in case I ever do need some extra sheets of paper. I would just pull this out, and I thought it would be fun for the kids and I, so I had to pick this one up. So I love the pen holders, and that there's two in here. And then let's see, this planner accessory pack. So again, this one was their neutral option, and I love that. So let's see, we do have some sticky notes. So here we go. Oh, right there. Okay. So some flags, so a few of those, and then these ones. And I love that there's lines on here, so that's always great. And then this little bookmark. So how pretty is it that it's just Mickey and Minnie, no color. So I really, really like this. This is so pretty. And so we do have a sheet of stickers with gold foil, so that's always appreciated, and the folder as well. So we have Minnie back here, make today amazing, and Mickey over here with the same quote. So nice and simple. And then we do have this these daily pages. So I love that because lately I've been into daily planning. So there's no color on here, and just them right over here. So you do get quite a few of these ones. And then it's just grid lines on the back. So I love that it runs from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. and then noted, today's focus, to do, and today I am grateful for. So how cute are these? Maybe I could even pop these in the notebook. That could be kind of fun. And so then to go along with the notebook as well, I did pick up these dashboards. And let me just show you how cute these are, because right away I fell in love with these. And even though I didn't grab a planner, I still wanted these dashboards, and the that accessory pack. So here's another bookmark. So this is so pretty with just the Mickey outline. And then we have Minnie, dream until your dreams come true. And then Mickey over here says, leave a trail of magic wherever you go. So I love these so much. They're so pretty. So I just love all of the neutral options that they had. So I was really glad about that. And then I did pick up these 2 sticker books because how was I not going to pick them up? And so I think this one is more like the decorative sticker book. And yeah, so there's quite a few sheets of clear. And then we have some square stickers, some box stickers. Oh, I love this. Yes, these are so pretty. This blue, the gold, and the blue. And look at her with the rose gold. How cute is that? And then here with the pink bow. Oh, I love this. And I think this is what truly sold me on the sticker books, that there were some pages with pink and Minnie and black with the rose gold. I think that looks really pretty. I loved this one. And there's that one. So with this other sticker book, it is mostly like colorful boxes. So let's see. So we have some double boxes here, these longer ones. So yeah, look at this pink one. I love that. Pink, black, and white is so pretty. I cannot wait to use these. This bluish color, teal maybe, is really pretty. And then we have the more colorful ones over here. So how cute are these? I cannot wait to make a spread with these. I think it's gonna be so pretty. So I love everything that I picked up. I can't wait to put this notebook together and just have it ready for our remote learning needs. I think everything is just very pretty and I cannot wait to set it up. I think these pages are going to be amazing as well. And of course, I'm going to pop this folder in here. So how about I just set this up really quick because tomorrow is Monday. So we are going to be starting homeschool. So I want to have this ready, and I believe this one has like a film on here. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, there we go. And at first I didn't know that the Happy Planner had this on here, so I was surprised when I found that out. Just in case anyone doesn't know about it, because it did take me a while to know about it. So there we go, just a little bit. That way this one can divide the regular dotted line paper from the daily. Oh, and actually I was gonna change out the discs too. So yeah, let me actually go ahead and open this up and I can start assembling this, because they did have an option to do the what's it called, the plastic discs, but of course I wanted to do the metal ones. So I am so glad that I got these ones instead, because metal is just everything. It's just so pretty and so classic. I think these daily pages are really good, and I think the Happy Planner should come out with their own daily planner. I know they have inserts coming out and maybe they're just like testing it, but I really wish that they would come out with a whole daily planner. I think that would be really good. Okay, so now we have these pages, and here in the back I want to add this folder. And then I'll take out the cover and add those ones as well. I just love this folder. It is way too pretty. Okay, so there we go. Let's get this off. So I'm curious to know if you guys purchased anything from this collab. What did you guys get? I would love to know. And apparently they're also coming out with a princess collab as well, and I believe that one is going to be sold at Walmart, so that's always exciting. This collection is also available at Joann, but I don't really have a Joann near me, so every time they say it's specifically for Joann, I always try to get it from their website because it is not close to me and I really don't have time to make a Joann drive, which is about an hour away from me, especially with remote learning. I don't have time to go out and just stock the store. So that's been a little adjustment that I've had to make when I decided that we were going to do remote learning. But we are managing and that's all that matters. So now I want to put all of these in here because I'm always looking for like extra sheets of paper, and now I'm gonna have a notebook. So I love that, makes everything just so much easier. And it's all goes together and it looks so nice. Like, how pretty is this? I love this one. So there's that one, and then here is the last section. And with the princess collab, I think they're doing like the princesses all together. I don't think they're going to be doing individual ones from what I've seen so far, because I would really love the Little Mermaid all by herself. I would buy everything. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what they come up with. There's been a few, I don't know if you would call them leaks, but they have started releasing some little like sneak peeks. So those are always fun, and I think it gets us all excited for all the new things. So let's see. There we go. Just a little bit here. And let's pop this one in. And then I do want to add the pen holder. And I wanted to do this one because it has the bow, but this is black. So I think I'm just going to do the black one instead. Even though it is gold and the other one's rose gold, but I think it'll be okay. So like right here, and just add a quick pen, and there we go. So how cute is that? I love that. And then I did want to add these. So maybe this could mark exactly where I am in the notebook. And because I don't want to leave Mickey out, I'm just going to pop him in right here. And then I'll add this sticker sheet back here. And I think it is all done. I'll save this one. And let's see. Okay. So there we go. Now I have my notebook ready. I have stickers on standby, and I could add these ones as well. But for now, I love everything that I got. Everything was just so neutral, and I'm glad that I was able to set up this notebook now so I can be ready for tomorrow. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.